I don't think pink works. Zoom out and zoom back in. There you go. That's focused. I learned how to make stuff focused again. You zoom out and then zoom back in. That's how you make cameras focus when they get defocused. No, laptop, you went to sleep. Dab 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 dab. Excuse me.
Alright, let's see how dark these bad boys are. Where's your dipper? There it is.
Right there. What? It's not dark. Why are you putting it in there now?
I feel like it.
Blue egg in purple. Pink. Not purple. Pink. I think I dipped my mom's hand thing in one of those on accident. I'm sitting down for now. Why are you just dying half of that?
Part of it? Because I feel like being epic. Boop boop doo.
Boop boop doo. Your hands are colorful.
Yes, they are. Maybe I should tie dye my face.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Let's just put that there.
Wee woo. Wee woo.
Wee woo. Wee woo. Wee woo.
What's that from?
SpongeBob.
Yes. I watched one of the episodes when I was like 4 or something. I don't watch SpongeBob.
All the episodes when you were 4 or something.
Seriously?
You watched so much SpongeBob it got annoying. That's all you ever wanted to watch in the band.
Seriously?
Seriously. Like, for serious.
Oh no, you can't see it, I think. Can you see it?
We'll get it there.
Wait, no. Okay. I was just being stupid. That was in the orange. Get mine out.
Boop,
I
boop.
want to show them it. Okay. So that's Jessica, as you can see. Jessica. And then Benji. This feels weird.
Yeah, it does.
No, turn off the flashlight. It just turned on the light. Whoa. Water, water, water!
Calm your pits, Becca.
Why did you call me Becca?
Because it felt like Becca.
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 Becca? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Becca.
Becca. Bika. Because
of the wonderful things he does.
what the heck is that song?
Wizard of Waverly, not Wizard of Waverly Place, oh my god. Yellow Brick Road, Wizard of Oz, there we go.
What's it called? What's
Wizard of Oz.
No, what is the song?
I don't know. Because of the wonderful things he does.
Okay, sing the song.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz, because of the wonderful things he does.
Do we have the Wizard of Oz?
Yes.
Cool. This one looks cool.
Yeah, it does, because I made it.
Yeah, because everything about you is awesome.
Only all of me is awesome.
Yep, that definitely makes sense.
Yes.
How did you get black?
What black?
Oh, it's really dark green.
It's all really dark.
Peanut butter, a peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat. And it's way out, way out, way out, way out.
There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. With peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Colored on.